Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 update install error 0x800F0991 quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Step 1. Press Windows I. Settings. Step 2. Go to System Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. Step 3. Find Windows Update. Click Run. Step 4. Follow on-screen instructions and restart your PC. Fix 2. Manually install updates. Step 1. Go to Settings, Windows Update History. Step 2. Note the KB number of the failed update. Step 3. Visit Microsoft Update Catalog. Step 4. Download and install the update manually. Step 5. Restart your PC.